Hi friends, Kumud here. How are you all doing? Good? Friends, in today's video, I'm going to tell you how this fall season is so very beneficial to all of us. We can do so many things. Besides doing a lot of seed sowing, this weather is good for cuttings also. For the winter plants cuttings which have already reached to their maturity, we can make cuttings of those plants, and this will last for the whole season then. So this is a good weather, and let's see what all I'm doing in my garden. As salvias keep doing well, when they start becoming matured, you see from here the plant is looking quite matured. So this is the time we can make more cuttings, because the season will last till March, April also. So this is the time we can make new cuttings also. Wherever the plants is having surplus roots, we can take them out and plant them. This is surprising that this brinjal, which was not growing in such big size, now as the temperature is getting little lower, so these brinjals are getting bigger. This is a very nice surprise for me, and I think it will grow more. So I'll leave it here. I came to harvest these brinjals, but I think I'll let it be, and maybe after 2 days I want to see the size of this brinjal. Similarly, here also you see the size is quite big. Very nice size. In summers they were very small size, but in fall, I think due to the temperatures, they are doing well. I am happy to see these brinjals now. And similarly, there are many growing, and I think they are going to take full size this time. So in extreme temperatures, the size of the fruits always gets smaller, and as the temperatures are good, about 20, 25 and 30, 35, they do very well. All vegetables, flowers, everything. So friends, I want to show you this thing. This is my old grow bag, and I bought it last year. And it was falling at both the sides and all over. It is spreading like anything. The soil level was not increasing because this grow bag was falling at the sides. So I was not getting this depth of the soil. So this time, this arrangement I have done with PVC pipes and with these attachments to join them, and this T, and this joins these two pipes from here, and it gives the support here also to make this grow bag stand like this. And this way I am getting full soil in this, so the root system of the vegetables will be good. Although I have put only leafy vegetables here, this is kale, then these are some lettuce, red and green, but even these leafy vegetables, I am hoping that they will grow to their full size, because the grow bag is looking pretty good now. You see, standing from all sides. So this is the system I have done, but by mistake this rod is cut little more, so this has gone wasted. In the next grow bag, I'll be careful to cut it smaller only. So friends, this is not difficult. This stand is not difficult to make like this, because usually we don't get this structure with the grow bags. Now they have started selling on Amazon and all, but earlier they were everyone was selling without the structure to make it stand good. So this is the arrangement one can do, and these pipes are easily available in the hardware shops. You can tell them This is the details I will give in the description box. What is the size of this and what are the sizes of this. Actually this pipe and these attachments are the same size, and only in this particular brand and in this size these things are available, these attachments. Otherwise in rest of the sizes these attachments are not available. So I will give the description of these things in the description box, of course. And then you can also try, friends, if your grow bags are also having the same problem which I was having. You see this one now standing so good, and that one not doing good, and the soil also doesn't remain intact in that. So do this if you have the same problem. Sowing these peas in this container. This is a small container, a vegetable box, you see, and I'm sowing these seeds in this. And the main reason to sow the seeds in this is that this has got a trellis here upwards. So as we know that these peas grow in vines, so we can tie it with these trellis and it will do well. Now these summer vegetables are done, they are over, so I'll be taking them out, not from the roots, but with the dry leaves and the dry stems and the dead parts. I'm going to remove everything from that, and the new place will be made for the peas and other winter vine vegetables. Friends, I hope you liked the video, and if you did, even little bit, then please subscribe and share it with the other friends. Okay then, bye bye, happy gardening, see you in the next video.